Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chocolate pie with orange marmalade. Into the bowl I'm taking 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 35 grams of cocoa powder, 6 grams of baking powder, 1 gram of salt and 70 grams of sugar. Whisk it well. When all the dry ingredients mixed well, into the dry mixture, I'm grating 100 grams of unsalted butter. Keep butter in a freezer for 1 hour to make it harder. To make it easier to grate, periodically dip the butter in flour so that it will not slip while grating as well. If butter is harder, it's easier to grate. Don't use soft butter. I am using my hands to mix butter and dry ingredients, and this is the good way to mix butter with dry ingredients well. I'm taking 2 whole eggs and beating. Into the egg, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of milk and adding this egg to my dry ingredients and kneading a dough without adding any water. Dough is ready. Rest it for 30 minutes in room temperature. After 30 minutes, take it out and cut off quarter part. Keep it separate. This I will use for covering marmalade and for decoration at last. Round the rest of the dough. Transfer it to parchment or a silicone mat and roll into a circle half centimeter thick. You can touch up uneven edges with your hands in an even circle, as our dough is very pliable. I'm using a round plate to make impression. The diameter is slightly smaller than the dough itself. Place the lid in the middle of the dough and press lightly to make a print. I am cutting 1 centimeter wide all around. After cutting all around, fold the strips towards inside at 45 degrees angle. Now leave beside strip and fold other crossing the first fold. Continue fold the same. No need to measure the angle. Approximately bend and fold. Here I'm using orange marmalade as a filling. For the recipe, please check the link in description below. Spread the marmalade to the edge. Now I am rolling out the remaining quarter, which I cut in the beginning. I'm cutting this, also keeping the same width as 1 centimeter. Gently keep on top of the marmalade. You can do any design as per your wish. Here I'm doing cloth thread pattern. Roll the remaining dough and seal the edges by pressing gently. Just making some rose flowers with the remaining dough. Now it's time to bake. In a preheated oven at 180 degrees, I am baking it for 20 minutes. Just sprinkling some icing sugar to give some nice look. This pie is very yummy with orange and chocolate flavor. Simply, I love it.